My dad would always say, dream big and work hard to achieve those dreams. Well, there's another kind of dream where you don't need to work hard at all. It's in fact not even under your control. And those are the dreams in your sleep. Good morning. This is Dr. Padma from Pleds, and today we're going to talk about the dreams in your sleep. Why do we dream? What happens when you're dreaming? What part of the brain is activated? We learn about all this in the video. We typically spend more than 2 hours each night dreaming. The strange series of thoughts, emotions, and illogical experiences we call dreams almost always occur during the REM sleep. Brain waves linked to REM sleep resembles that of a waking brain, making it hard to distinguish between the two. Every night, the sleep cycle begins with stage 1, and then slowly we drift into stage 2, then to stage 3 and 4, which are the deep sleep, and then finally into the REM sleep. The REM sleep or the dream sleep begins with signals from an area at the base of the brain called the pons. These signals travel to a brain region called the thalamus, which relays them to the cerebral cortex, the outer layer of the brain that is responsible for learning, thinking, and organizing information. At this point, the pons also send signals to the spinal cord to shut off its neurons, causing temporary paralysis of the limb muscles. This is the time the brain is making memories and consolidating memories in the cortex. We are dreaming. Just imagine if the pons had not shut off the neurons and caused the temporary paralysis of the limb muscles, people would be acting out their dreams. In fact, this does happen in a rare, dangerous problem called REM sleep behavior disorder. A person dreaming about, say, a game of cricket may get up and run blindly or strike someone sleeping nearby while trying to catch a ball in the dream. He's acting out his dream. What is the importance of dream sleep or REM sleep? REM sleep stimulates the brain regions used in learning. This may be important for normal brain development during infancy. In fact, infants spend much more time in REM sleep than adults. Even in adults, REM sleep is very important for learning and memory consolidation. If people are taught various skills and then deprived of REM sleep, they often cannot remember what they were taught. Is there meaning in dreams? During the REM sleep or the dream sleep, the outer cortex is getting these random signals from the pons and does not know what to make out of it. The cortex is the part of the brain that interprets and organizes information from the environment when we are awake. But during sleep, these random signals are probably interpreted as a story which we play in our sleep. Another hypothesis proposed by Dr. Francis Crick suggested that dreams act as an unlearning mechanism whereby certain modes of neural activity are erased by random activation of cortical connections. These activations in the cortex might be unwanted thoughts or erroneous information which, if not deleted, could become the basis for obsession, paranoia, or other pathologies of thought. Yet another hypothesis is that REM sleep and dreams are involved in the transfer of memories between the hippocampus, where memories are made, to the cortex. Dreams may be one way that the brain consolidates memories. The dream time could be a period when the brain can reorganize and review the day's events and connect new experiences to older ones. There are things that you can do to maximize your REM sleep. Go to bed at the same time each night and wake up the next day at the same time. Try to reduce your alcohol content. These are some of the ways by which you can increase your REM sleep and sleep well. See you in the next video where we'll be talking about diet and sleep.